Hi YouTube, this is the video response to Bob Wilson's Show Your Stash. So I'm showing my yarn stash. This is all the yarn that I've collected since the beginning of the year. I've been making a lot of hats and stuff. If you've seen my other video, I showed a lot of the hats that I made. And I've collected this yarn just over this year. And this first row of yarn, this black, white, gray, and purple, these were yarns that I got on sale at Michael's. They were $1.79 at my Michael's. They were still $4.79 at all the other Michael's I went to, but my Michael's. And I had planned on making a skirt or something, but it was too thick, and I don't like thick clothes, so I abandoned that. So now I have to find something to do with it all, but I've been making some hats and stuff and some scarves, so I'll just keep doing that. And then over here on the floor, in all these bags, is still a bunch of yarn pieces that I've already made a lot of hats and stuff with. And those are the leftovers from that. So I put my yarn in a bag when I'm working in it, the big one, so I can keep it up off the floor, not dirty, or on the couch or whatever. So I just work on it out of the bag. So that's why it's that's why it looks like that. So thanks for watching. God bless, and you have a great day.